welcome back to my channel. Yeah, it's your guy again, Annie, and I have another DIY for you guys today. Yes, you guys already know how I feel about DIYs. I love DIYs. So today's DIY is going to be rose oil. As you all know, Valentine is fast approaching, and a lot of us ladies, we are going to get flowers and especially roses for this Valentine. Well, if you're African like me, the typical African Nigerian girl who doesn't get too excited about flowers, I just admire it for the first and second day, and after that they're on the flowers relaxing and all that. So instead of me to just leave my roses to waste off just like that, why not utilize it to do something that can help my skin, my nails, and my hair? Guys, this video is going to be a collaboration between me and my beautiful YouTube sister slash friend Tessie the Aquino. So we came together and decided to do this rose oil for you guys. Also, you can make rose water from the same roses. So guys, I will leave my friend's channel in the description box below. Please do make sure to go and watch her rose oil also. So now let's get into the business of doing our rose oil. It is very easy, one of the easiest oil ever. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.